As an important pillar of the economy, the intelligent transformation of the coal industry is crucial. ITC Intelligent Coal Mine Audiovisual Solution deeply integrates technologies such as AI, Internet of Things, and cloud computing, constructing an intelligent system that combines intelligent perception, real-time interconnection, precise decision-making, intelligent early warning, and collaborative control. This solution enables safe monitoring, intelligent operation and maintenance, and big data early warning in coal mining, enhancing production efficiency and safety levels. Professional sound system for safe operations. The coal mining area is the primary working scene for workers, and every operation relates to safety. ITC Visual Intercom and EVAC PA system is constructed, which is anti-explosion and waterproof, transmitting sound over long distances and ensuring that every worker can clearly receive instructions and communicate safely without boundaries. In emergencies, the emergency intercom button can be pressed to call for help from the duty room. The stable lines ensure two-way communication. This system can also connect with surrounding monitoring screens, allowing the duty room to quickly understand the accident and formulate emergency plans, achieving efficient emergency responses and minimizing losses. Overview on one screen: Intelligent Dispatching. The construction of the Production Dispatch Center utilizes the ITC Quick Response Dispatch Platform, Integrated Controller, Big Data Visualization Platform, Paperless Conference System, Remote Video Conference System, Professional Sound System, and LED Video Wall, achieving a unified display of mining production parameters, risk supervision, and emergency response. Centered around GIS and integrated communication and focused on data and information integration and control, ITC establishes a three-dimensional virtual visual operational dispatch platform based on the three-dimensional models of the mining area, internal structure of buildings, and equipment layout, providing functions such as situational awareness of mining operations, decision support, incident assessment, real-time audiovisual communication, and command dispatching. This enhances the emergency response capabilities of the Production Dispatch Center and promotes scientific management and intelligent decision-making. Leaders can clearly understand monitoring conditions of production progress, gas concentration, temperature, pressure, and other values, as well as the online status of fire emergency equipment through the LED video wall in the Production Dispatch Center. Management can monitor the coal flow, water flow, media flow, and other processes through Big Data Visualization Platform. In the event of abnormal parameters, corresponding emergency plans can be quickly triggered, issuing commands to adjacent departments via the command center network for coordinated dispatch and linking responses of nearby emergency equipment to rapidly and efficiently resolve hazards. Smart meetings, efficient decision-making. The construction of ITC audiovisual system in the mining area meeting room is equipped with 4K UHD intelligent interactive flat panel, high-definition recording system, professional sound system, and precise long-distance pickup microphones, creating an efficient collaboration platform for companies. Employees can enjoy remote collaboration, quickly share ideas, ignite innovation, and ensure real-time communication of directives, improving decision-making efficiency. Additionally, the high-definition recording system can also be used for employee training and technical exchanges, recording training content in detail to create a resource library that enhances employees' professional skills and overall quality, providing strong support for sustainable development. Comprehensive safety education. In the coal mine living area, ITC Content Management System provides workers with a wealth of safety education content. Through various forms such as graphics, texts, videos, and audio, safety knowledge and slogans are conveyed to workers, allowing them to receive safety education anytime and anywhere. The electronic format allows for easy updates of promotional content, making it convenient, efficient, and environmentally friendly. Safety education adds reassurance to coal mine operations. As an expert in audiovisual solutions for the coal industry, ITC is committed to integrating cutting-edge technology with the actual needs of the coal mining sector. ITC Intelligent Coal Mine Audiovisual Solution combines quick response dispatch platform, integrated controller, big data visualization platform, paperless conference system, remote video conference system, professional sound system, LED video wall, ITC Hub Intelligent Interactive Flat Panel, Meeting Recording System, Emergency PA System, Visual Intercom System, and Content Management System. Tailoring smart assistance for the coal industry to enhance quality and efficiency while ensuring worker safety.